That's great.
It's fun on these little noodle rods.
You can see his head.
That's a nice bike.
Darn nice bike. Wow. Nice work on that.
Beauty.
Well, we weren't catching any perch. We saw that happen the other day. Just plain perch had just quit. I was pretty serious about hitting it too. It wasn't messing around.
Fill in the bucket.
Fill in the bucket right up with perch fillets.
Feels perchy. Oh yeah.
Nice one.
Yep. Oh, they are down there. I got just a school. I'll take it back down. Oh, nice perch. Yeah.
Nice.
Wow. Oh, got my tricks. Oh, I got somebody else's line. That's beautiful.
That's a nice fish.
Look at this. It's my favorite fish to chase in the winter. You know, I can chase walleyes all summer long, but nothing gets me excited like yellow perch through the ice.
That's great fun. Not too far out of Hay Bale on the snowblower. Look at that.
That's a Devils Lake double.
How about that?
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Yeah, that's a good puller. Pike? Maybe.
It's like a pike. Like a great old big fish or a walleye. A lot of head.
He's head dumping. That
Oh,
could be
we
a
got
nice
a
one.
nice walleye, yep. So nice. I'm coming up here. Let me grab him.
Gap right there if you need it.
Here, walleye. There we go.
There you go.
Bonus walleye.
They're always good. That one's had a run in or two of the pike itself. It's tooth marks on the back end.
Yeah.
Chewed up a little bit.
Yeah, he does have a little chewer there.
Managed to get away.
You put us in a good spot. A very comfortable machine to fish out of there too.
Doesn't get much more fun than this.
No? Nice.
Oh, that one's giving you a fight.
Yeah.
It's just swinging.
I see a walleye.
Yeah.
Be great. Like that.
You're good.
Yeah. Down there and catch another one. There's a pile of fish underneath me right now. That's beautiful. Eat walleye. Mix right in with those perch. We're running out of bucket room, guys.
Oh, yeah.
Look at the freshwater shrimp coming through here right now. Crazy. Screen.
They went over and looked at the sleep end today and
All that's all freshwater shrimp.
looked around at what they're
Coming
going to be
through.
moving up here in a few days.
All that.
Shot that. That'd be a nice place.
And inevitably, behind that and underneath it will be fish.
It's going to be...
That's probably going to be all eyes now. It's getting pretty dark.
Last summer, they'll never stitch it in.
Pretty good one.
That's a walleye.
Every stitch of it. So I think it's $6 million a quarter or something.
Nice that they grow up a little bit here.
Chomp job.
Oh, yeah.
Let go of my tungsten.